Today we're looking at the 2020 Chevrolet Silverado LT in a hot red. This one is powered by a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside we have our black interior leather heated seats, and down below we do have our power seat controls. Up top we have our leather wrapped heated steering wheel, and inside you'll find our infotainment system with built-in Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We have our volume scroll here on the left hand side, and of course our dual climate control zones here at the middle. Down below that we have our trailer brake controls, our USB-C and USB charge ports, and our AC outlet here on the right hand side. We have some additional storage here as well as down below, 2 cup holders, and inside the middle console we have plenty of space to go alongside our SD, our USB-C and USB charge ports, and our aux outlet. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows, our adjustable side mirror controls, and by our handle we do have our power locks. On the left hand side you'll find our drive modes as well as our automatic high beam controls. And if we take a look at the steering wheel here on the right hand side, you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our menu selector. Of course on the left hand side you'll find our cruise control settings as well as our heated steering wheel controls. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a rear view camera. This vehicle also does come equipped with a push to start ignition as well as keyless entry and remote start. Up top we have our universal home garage opener, and of course our power controls for our lovely sunroof. Jumping onto the back here, we still have our black interior leather seats with plenty of legroom and space for anyone sitting back here. In the middle you'll find our USB-C and USB charge ports, 2 vents, 2 cup holders, and behind each front seat there is cubbies with additional storage. Speaking of storage, we also have additional storage inside the seats itself as well as underneath. In the middle you'll find our cup holders and our rear power sliding window at the back. Checking out the exterior here on the Silverado, we do have our blacked out Chevy bow tie badge in the middle of our black grille, the Z71 badge on the side, and our red tow hooks. We also have LED headlights and fog lamps. And moving along to the side here, if we take a look at our tires, we do have 18-inch black rims on our Goodyear Wrangler tires, black running boards, black accent handles, as well as black accents along the windows. We have our keyless entry, like I mentioned earlier, tint in the rear window. And if we make our way to the back here, we do have our Trail Boss decal on the side, our corner assist steps on each side as well, our dual chrome exhaust, and our spare tire underneath. Up top, we have our lift gate that comes down hands-free, no problem, to lead you to our spray-on bed liner, and of course, our 120-volt outlet here on the right-hand side. And that is our 2020 Chevrolet Silverado LT in a hot red. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team as we're here to help with any questions you may have.